In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a CMS page in Webflow. If you want a button or link block to take visitors to a general overview page inside your site, Webflow makes this very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can set it up correctly and make sure the link works when your site is live. Start by opening your project in Webflow. Once you are inside the designer, navigate to the page or section where the button or link block is located. This is useful when you want a clear call to action, like sending someone from a homepage section or featured area to a broader CMS-related page, such as a blog template or overview or another collection template page. Next, select your button or link block directly on the canvas. Make sure you've clicked the actual element that should be clickable, not just the surrounding container. This is important because the link settings will only appear for the selected link element itself. With that selected, go over to the right side of the screen and open the Element Settings panel. This is where Webflow gives you control over how that specific element behaves. In the settings, look for the Link Settings area. This section lets you define where the button or link should send your visitors. Under Link Settings, open the drop-down menu and choose Page. This tells Webflow that the destination should be another page within your site, rather than an external URL, email link, or phone link. Choosing the correct link type here helps keep your site structure clean and avoids broken or incorrect destinations. After that, choose the specific CMS collection page you want from the list. For example, you might select something like a blog template if that matches the page you want to direct people to. Just be sure you are selecting the intended destination, especially if your project contains multiple pages with similar names. Once everything looks correct, click Publish to save the change live. Publishing is the final step that pushes your updated link to the live version of your website, so visitors can actually use it. If you skip this step, the change may appear in the designer, but won't be visible on your published site. And that's it. Thanks for watching.